Hi, Warren. Hi, Charlie. My name is Jacob. I'm a shareholder from China and also a proud graduate of Columbia Business School. Thanks for having us here. My question is, our world is changing at a faster pace today versus 40 years ago, and even more so going forward. Under this context, for each of us individually, shall we expand our circle of competence continuously over time, or shall we stick with the existing circle but risk having a shrinking investment universe? Thank you.
Well, obviously, you should, under any conditions, you should expand your circle of competence
If you can.
if you can. Yeah, and I've expanded mine a little bit over time,
If you can't, you ought to be pretty cautious.
you know, you can't force it. If you told me that I had to, become an expert on physics or
Dance may be the lead in the ballet, Warren. That would be a sight.
yeah, well, that's what I hadn't
Particularly
even.
now.
That's one you may be thinking about, but that hadn't even occurred to me. But yeah, it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean you can't expand it at all. I mean, I did learn about some things as I've gone along in a few businesses. In some cases, I've learned that I'm incompetent, which is actually a plus, and you've discarded that one. But it doesn't really. The world is going to change. It's going to keep changing. It's changing every day, and that makes it interesting. As it changes, certainly within what you think is your present existing circle, you should be the master of figuring that one out, or it really isn't your circle of competence. And if you get a chance to expand it somewhat as you go along, I've learned some about the energy business from Walter and Greg as we work together, but I'm not close to their level of competence on it. But I do know more than I used to know, and so you get a chance to expand it a bit. Usually, I would think normally your core competence is probably something that sort of fits the way the mind is worked. Some people have what I call a money mind, and they will work well in certain types of money situations. It isn't so much a question of IQ. The mind is a very strange thing. And people have specialties, whether in chess or bridge. I see it in different people that can do what seem to be impossible things. And they're really kind of, as Charlie would say, stupid in other areas. So just keep working on it. Don't think you have to increase it and therefore start bending the rules. Anything further, Charlie?
No.
Station 9.